case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a plot twist worthy of a dramatic courtroom drama, a case roiled the South Dakota Supreme Court in 2013. The case, Poeppel v. Lester, focused on a complex, nuanced area of contract law asking, when does evidence outside a written contract or parole evidence becomes admissible in a dispute? The case emerged from a breach of contract claim filed by Rob Poeppel against Luke Lester. Lester, it seemed, had failed to follow through on his promise to purchase Poeppel's shares in a real estate company. During the course of the case, the court backed Poeppel, ruling that under the terms of the written agreement, Lester had clearly not met his obligations. Yet for Lester, this was only half of the story. Claiming to be a victim of fraud, he challenged the verdict, taking his appeal to the higher court. His argument was that although the contract appeared clear on the surface, the trial court made a series of errors, most crucially, failing to consider his claim of fraud. The contract, signed by both parties, stated explicitly that Poeppel had provided all pertinent financial data about the shares in question to Lester, who in turn was responsible for making his own judgment of their value. The document further clarified that Poeppel made no guarantees regarding the shares' capacity to generate income. Justice Wilbur, delivering the majority opinion, shed light on the scenario that unfolded prior to Lester's purchase. Lester initiated talks to buy the shares, Poeppel agreed, which led to the signing of the contract. Any amendments to the contract proposed by Lester were then duly signed off by Poeppel. The court found that not only had Lester been provided with all the necessary documents and records, but also that his decision to invest was based purely on his independent investigation. Despite having all the evidence seemingly stacked against him, Lester caught a break. The court reversed its decision after recognizing there were genuine issues that a jury should be allowed to evaluate. This twist in events was due to the earlier improper exclusion of evidence of fraud by the trial court, which the higher court acknowledged could indeed change the outcome. This led to a reversal and remanding of the case for trial, a rare victory for Lester and a reminder that in law, nothing is ever as cut and dried as it seems.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.